Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today we are here at TCL's booth at CES 2020, and we have some amazing phones, one that I will not stop talking about, and that is the TCL 10 series. We have the TCL 10L, we have the TCL 10 Pro, and then we have the 5G model with that lovely prism style. And it really are some really good looking phones, but I will say, although those ones are really nice and 5G is great, especially for under 500, as I posted on Instagram and Twitter, they have my attention. They have an emerald green phone. I don't know what they're calling this, but I'm just calling it an emerald jade, whatever, green phone, but it's a green phone, guys. You guys know how long I've been wanting a device like this, and this is really good. It has the quad cameras, it has a headphone jack, and for all of you out there always asking, it has an IR blaster. I think this is a phone we definitely not only cover, but it could be a top contender for one of the best phones to get in 2020. This is a really awesome looking device. It's one that I just have to have in my pocket at some point this year, and definitely all of these phones look pretty interesting, and definitely for the $500 price range and under, they're gonna be something that everyone should take a look at. Stay tuned for more coverage as this device and others release at CES. Thank you as always so much for watching. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.